Hi, everyone. It's Brian Kurtz with Healed by Spirit, letting you know it's time again for another Soul Connection workshop. The details will be in the information below this video, but I wanted to make sure you know that I'm making this available to any individual who wishes to connect more deeply with anyone in their life. What the Soul Connection workshop is about on the surface is peeling away the layers of whatever it is we may have been carrying around, which prevent us from really getting to that deep namaste place where the divine light in me can connect with the divine light in you. The way that occurs, interestingly enough, is it's not so much about where the person in front of me may be, but who I'm willing to be, and opening myself up as the big Grand Canyon-esque space for them to just fall into. When we're able to simply be that divine light that we are, as corny as it may sound, magic happens. When we open ourselves up and allow the divinity in us in, the divinity all around us in, magic happens. When we open ourselves up to connection, this is where music is available. This is where poetry comes from. This is where love comes from. This is where all meaningful connection to everything worthwhile occurs. My Soul Connection workshop makes that available so that you can connect deeply with anyone, anytime, anywhere you choose. Interested? I'd love to have you there. If you're moved, give me a call. Be in touch. Sign up for the event below. We'd love to see you there. Thanks.